Please welcome our next contestant from UTM ICE, Iyad Al-Shami, with his presentation entitled We Will Never Be Lost Indoor Again.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Let me start with the question. Have you ever been lost inside a big building like a mall? Wow. We are elder. No, we can't. Okay, the second question, what about your relative or children? Of course, you must be involved in such case anyway. Okay, to share you a real story, unfortunately, it's with me. 2013, I went to KLCC to create CMB account according to UTM regulation. Immediately, I went to the information counter to direct or to draw my route to reach the CMB, but unfortunately, there is no employee. Okay, any digital directory there? No, I couldn't use the GPS because I'm inside the building. Allahu Akbar. Is there any other technology can it depend on it? No yet. Then, unfortunately, I turned my back. I went to the campus again, seeking for the help. Now, from that time, I'm thinking how we can solve this problem. Alhamdulillah, I have the opportunity to join a research group related to the issue. Then we started to think about how we can bring solution cheap and bring high accuracy position. Our solution based on the Wi-Fi, which is the most cheapest technology, available technology. All of us has our smartphone, can be connected to Wi-Fi. And also for the children, there is a wearable device can be connected also. So that we decided to involve in this. Secondly, we need to scalable solution to address the problem of multi-floor buildings to satisfy this. Then we need to consider all the high diversity between the mobile devices. Later, we involve the people business as the factor to get better accuracy. Alhamdulillah, we bring almost 100% of accuracy as a solution, and this will bring satisfaction for the end user. And for the other stakeholder, I mean the top level management, they will not pay more than or for any extra infrastructure in the domain, and then we can apply this solution in many different domains like military, healthcare, etc. And thank you for your listening. Thank you.